Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your cabin air filter. First, gather your supplies, a new cabin air filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a flat surface. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality. It typically takes less than 15 minutes to complete, saving you time and money. Now, let's find that filter. Open your passenger side door and locate the glove compartment. You'll need to empty everything out of it first. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove compartment. This action will release the small plastic stops, allowing the compartment to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the glove compartment down, you'll see a rectangular cover. Unclip the two retaining tabs, one on each side, and remove the cover. Now, carefully slide the old filter straight out. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. The new one must be installed in the same direction. Slide your new filter in, making sure the arrow points towards the rear of the vehicle. Almost done, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Then, gently push the glove compartment back up until its side stops re-engage. That's it. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance step, recommended every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, ensures you breathe cleaner air and helps your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.